friends, welcome back to Cooking with Candace. If you are craving that incredible spicy street food flavor, but still want to pack in some serious protein, you are in exactly the right place. Today we are making Anda Maggi, the ultimate comfort food upgrade. We are taking those classic instant noodles, loading them up with a rich, vibrant tomato chili masala, and packing in 3 eggs to make this a high-protein powerhouse that comes together in under 10 minutes. It is spicy, it is incredibly satisfying, and honestly, once you make your noodles this way, you are never going back to the plain version. Let's get the wok hot and get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 2 packs of Maggi instant noodles with the provided tastemaker packet, 3 large eggs, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 medium tomato chopped as well, finely chopped by the way, 2 green chilies, we're also going to finely chop these, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, or you can do 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil, cilantro for the end, and then some salt for your eggs. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is crack our eggs into a bowl. Okay, so now that we've cracked the eggs, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt, just a tiny bit, and we're gonna whisk. There's lots of seasoning in the Maggi packets, and so that's why I'm not gonna add that much salt right now. All right, and now we'll go scramble the eggs. Alrighty, now we're over at the stovetop. We have our wok style pan, and this is a great dish because you can cook it all in one pan. So I'm gonna turn the heat on, like to medium, and I'm gonna heat 1 tablespoon of butter. You can also use oil for this, but I'm just gonna use butter because I like cooking my eggs in butter for more flavor. So we'll just wait till that melts. Okay, so now that the butter's melted, we are going to add our eggs. We're gonna scramble these, so it shouldn't take long. And we're gonna take them off the heat once they're still a little bit wet, but not like fully cooked. You want like a softer scramble. Alrighty, the eggs are cooking. Almost, well not almost, but sort of almost. Eggs cook fast. Okay, I'm gonna take them off now. So I'm gonna put these in a separate bowl. So I'm gonna turn off the stove and put these in a bowl now. All right, so in the same pan, we're gonna heat it up again, and we're gonna heat our 1 tablespoon of oil. Let this heat up a little bit. All right, and now we're gonna add our chopped onion and our green chilies. We're gonna saute these until the onions are slightly translucent and a little bit golden brown. And I have this on high heat, just waiting for them to get a little bit translucent. All right, so my onions are getting a little brown and translucent. So now we are ready to mix in our tomatoes. Well, it's 1 tomato, but it's in 2 things. So our turmeric powder and our Kashmiri Red Chili Powder. And we are going to cook the tomatoes down now until the oil starts to separate and they start to break down a little bit. So we're building the masala base for this dish. Okay, so now that the tomatoes have broken down, we are going to pour in our 2 cups of water and our 2 tastemaker packets from the Maggi. Okay, and then we have to mix thoroughly. And we're gonna wait till this comes to a rolling boil. Which shouldn't be too long because the water is already getting really hot. All right, we'll wait till this boils. Okay, so now that it's at a rolling boil, we're gonna add our 2 noodle cakes, and we're just gonna let it cook on its own, not touching it, for 1 minute here, and then we'll break it apart. All right, now I'm just gonna softly start to break the noodles apart. And basically we're gonna cook this until most of the water is cooked out, but it's still slightly saucy. All right, so now that most of the moisture has been cooked out, but there's still a little bit left, we're gonna add back our eggs we already cooked. And we're gonna stir these in so it's incorporated nicely and evenly. And then we're We're gonna top it with cilantro and she will be ready to enjoy. Alright, she is ready. And there it is, a massive bowl of spicy protein-packed Anda Maggi. Look at how vibrant that color is. And the way those scrambled eggs just soak up all that masala flavor is absolutely incredible. If you try this out at home, let me know down in the comments how much heat you added to yours. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it. Gotta get that egg in there. Delicious. If you loved this quick street food recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for a lot more fast, flavorful, and high protein recipes coming your way very soon. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in the kitchen today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!